it do, guys? It's your boy Rick and the 62, and I'm back with another video. Right now, I got on this ugly high vis that I hate wearing, bro. I hate wearing high vis, but I gotta follow safety procedures. Right now, I'm hooking up to a trailer. If my truck loud, I don't know why I be doing it, but if my truck loud, hold on, y'all. My bad. My bad, y'all. My bad, y'all. Let me see what we got going on. I ain't looked at how to load this. I'm still at the DC right now. But like I said, you know what I'm saying, I just hooked up to the trailer. And we heading to Texas. We going to Texas, y'all. Y'all ready to go to Texas with me? I'm just gonna grab first sheet. Ain't too bad. This ain't too bad of a load. I'm taking my time because I'm driving. I'm gonna hit a little nighttime drive, so I'm gonna just meet y'all in the morning. But that's why I'm taking my time now, picking up this load. My truck was in the shop due to transmission issues. Like that junk quit on me on my last load when we was in Little Rock, and that junk gave out on me. Like for real, that junk started rolling back and shit. And I'm like, hey, bro, grab my gloves. Like I said, when that red light come on, it like just stopped. It just stopped doing what it's supposed to do. You know what I'm saying? I'm acting like I ain't no car guy. I can't focus right now. I'm just blah today. I don't know what's going on with me today. I'm just blah. I can't even sit y'all down right. Hopefully y'all won't fall again. But yeah, my last load, then I put it in the shop. Shit, I get back in the car. I ain't got no light on. My ABS light been on since I got this truck, and that junk was off. So I'm like, oh snap, my truck fixed. Okay then, no light on. That's why I wasn't showing y'all the dashboard, to be honest, because I didn't want nobody to come and be like, damn, what's wrong with your truck, bro? What's wrong with Werner truck? Ain't my truck. Yeah. All the lights off and stuff. I get on the E-way on my way here. That junk came on again. But it went right back out though. Like I don't know what's going on with this truck, bro. Like I just hope I don't end up somewhere broke down. Cause I thought that what was gonna happen to me. I thought that was gonna happen to me on my last load. Cause I was actually stuck on my last store. Hold on, y'all. I was actually stuck on my last store. I told y'all my mind just ain't. It just ain't there right now. But what I was saying, my mind just ain't. My mind just ain't here right now, bro. In the store, I just hope I don't end up broke down somewhere, cause this truck just got a mind of its own. I see why people call it Tional. I don't know if I said it in one of my previous videos, but yeah, I'm starting to see why. Cause god damn, I'm just finna trick this I'm finna check this trailer. These folks just be doing what they want to do. So let's see how it's looking. Y'all see that bar? Hold on. That bar right there. I don't like that bar being up there because the bottom half of the carts can like come out, and that'll make it hard for me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. People that understand physics. Why not? Right there. Why not? That's why I be checking my trailer. Cause you gotta make sure everything. And I'm checking the numbers that's on my paperwork. I'm checking one of them boxes, make sure the numbers match. So I know this my trailer, that's what store is going to and all that, you know. Serious. So, 5, 6, 8, 2. I'm gonna slide my tanders back, and we gonna be ready to go. Is there anything else I need to do? I'm missing or something? I don't think so. I'm just catch y'all in the morning, bro. So, with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe, turn on all post notifications. Let me slide my tanders back, and I'm finna go park this mug until it's time to go tonight, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the morning. We just head to the last store. I'm catching every red light. I ain't got that much time on my clock, so I ain't not gonna make it back to West Memphis. I'm gonna have to, and look at this transmission, bro. Like the truck is just go off, go off. Thank you, y'all. Man, hey, this truck, bro. Like it just got out the shop, fool, and it's still doing the same stuff. Like, I had to parallel park this motherfucker because that car right there, and then how the doorway is. I had to parallel park this mug. But hey, like I said though, it ain't nothing I can do. There's nothing I can't do. The doorway is like right there. It's right here on this wall. So, and I didn't even see this pole. Luckily, I didn't hit it. Y'all didn't hear that. I did see that pole. I just didn't hit it. That's what I said. Stop right in front of the doorway. I just ring that doorbell. I'm probably gonna have to walk my ass around there. I don't know. We gonna see. I'm gonna catch y'all in the back of the trailer. I'm probably about to die. I don't know. Not me, but the camera probably about to die. I don't see the battery. It's blinking. So if y'all die on me, I'm just gonna catch y'all in the front of the truck when I'm finished. Pins on when she ready for me. Hopefully I'll be done when I still. Hopefully I'll be done before. While I. Hopefully I'll be done. I still have like 4 hours on my clock. Cause I drive an hour, but it's a whole box of awesome and silly string. I don't know, something else in here with this awesome. It's heavy as hell though. It's motherfucking heavy. That motherfucking heavy. Yo, light them up, full of candy, full of candy. Who wants some candy? Anybody want some candy? Get all this shit. Y'all saw that. What up, gang? I pretty much jinxed myself. Um, the truck broke down on me yesterday, and it's the next morning. Well, not the next morning. It's the next day actually. I've been off and on sleep all day. I've been sitting in the shop all day today. Well, it ain't nothing. No, I ain't blaming them, but cause I know what's going on with my truck. It ain't no easy fix. But man, I just jinxed myself. I think when I got off the clock, I did a hard stop, so I won't run a red light. And ever since then, shit, I guess I just triggered to make the system, you know, to make this shit even worse than what it was. You know, I finally got on the E-way. I just thought it was gonna be a smooth run, and they just went out on me. It was a couple times where I had to stop at a light. Like I was just stuck in the light green, just stuck, and it finally went off. But y'all can probably hear my voice. I'm tired. I'm tired as hell. I've been here. I just been off and on sleep all day. I just ready to go home. Ready to get to the house. I'm out here in Artex Truck Center out here in Texarkana. And like I said, they was closed yesterday, so I broke down about 6:30. And the tow truck, the dude that was towing my truck, he said, "Shit, they already closed." So he asked, he was 2 hours away, so he asked me if I wanted him to come get me, go to Marshall, Texas, and then come back and take the truck here. I just told him that there's too much driving on your part. I mean, I'm good. I'm I backed up a little bit to the ramp so I can get off the E-way a little bit, so the trucks wouldn't have to pass me so fast and shake my truck. My bad, y'all. I'm tired as hell. I'm getting a little hungry. I'm probably gonna DoorDash something in a minute. But I didn't really want to pick up the camera and you know what I'm saying. You know, tell y'all what's going on. But I mean, like I said, I'm recording everything, so if y'all can barely hear me, my apologies. I'm dragging my voice. I'm tired. Um, the truck still gotta go to the shop tomorrow at Werner. Yeah, like it's about what is I think it's like 3 o'clock now. It's 2:43 now. They close at 3. Hopefully they'll be done before they close. Cause if not, I have to, you know, go to a hotel, a nearby hotel, and just stay there for the night. But I'm hoping they'll be done before they close today, so I can go head back to West Memphis. Ain't nothing wrong with me really. I'm just tired. And just really upset. I am upset though, cause I just jinxed myself. You know, hoping that I don't experience a breakdown. And I broke down. Instantly broke down as soon as I got on the E-way. But I was finna I thought stopping kept causing the issue, but it happened once when I got on the E-way, and then it went off. It went right off as I slowed down, and after the second time, it just gave out. So yeah, like I said, I just been sleep all day really. I've been woke since 6:30. Tow came and got me about 6:30. They opened at 7, so by the time we got here, you know, I think my truck instantly, got pulled in. So I mean, they working. I'm waiting. Um, really don't want to order DoorDash because I don't want to mess around and order some food. I got food in the truck. I don't want to mess around and order some food and they be done with the truck. But at the same time, I don't need to starve either. Um, I'm probably just gonna figure something out. Just end the video with this. Um, Again, I apologize if I'm talking a little bit too low or dragging my voice. I'm just tired and a little upset with myself. But it is what it is. It's out of my control. I mean, shit happens. Just gotta go through shit. Yeah. It happens. It's gonna happen. Just something I truck driving. Just something I gotta go through. Everybody went through it. And I knew my time was coming. So I I ain't upset about that part. I just jinxed it. Just upset with it. But I'm gonna go and end the video. I'm just gonna catch y'all on my next load. Um, it's a short load, heading out to Missouri. But to be honest, shit, I'm scared to drive my damn truck. Like, hopefully these folks do a better job than what Warner did, because apparently they didn't do nothing at Warner. You did the same shit. So, just hopefully, it works out, you get fixed, and continue to make some money. Yeah, so you gotta watch the full video again. Um, if you're not already, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications if you haven't already. I'm probably gonna look for something to eat. I'm gonna go end the video. I'm gonna just catch y'all in this video. I'll see y'all later.